Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the RetroGamer Pro Series 3 by PowerFlex Tech, a handheld console that's currently colonizing every corner of your social media feed. It promises thousands of classic games, a vibrant 3.5-inch screen, and a battery that supposedly lasts long enough to ignore your family for an entire weekend. Because nothing says cutting-edge tech like a device sold primarily through frantic pop-up ads at 2 a.m. It sounds like the perfect nostalgia trip, but as soon as we started digging, the smell of digital desperation became hard to ignore. Let's talk about the first red flag, the invisible fanbase. Their website proudly displays a 4.7-star rating, yet Trustpilot and Reddit have absolutely nothing on them. I suppose all those thousands of satisfied gamers are just too busy playing 8-bit Tetris to ever post a single comment online. They also claim to be the #1 bestseller of 2025, with over 30,000 units sold. It's truly impressive that they've achieved record-breaking sales for a year that's barely even started. They must have included a time machine in the box along with the charging cable. The website itself is a masterclass in high-pressure nonsense, featuring 70% off deals that conveniently end tonight every single night. If that doesn't scream "trust me" loud enough, a quick reverse image search reveals their product photos are being recycled across half the internet. It's hard to trust what's inside the box when they can't even be bothered to take a real photo of the outside. Then there's the legal comedy of claiming a $30 device comes preloaded with licensed titles like Mario, Pokemon, and GTA. Because if there's one thing Nintendo is known for, it's definitely their relaxed and generous attitude toward copyright infringement. In short, the RetroGamer Pro Series 3 has more red flags than a parade. Between the unproven sales claims, the pushy marketing tactics, and the impossible licensing promises, this looks less like a gaming console and more like a creative way to lose $30. Our advice is to keep your wallet closed and do your own research before falling for flashy promises. Thanks for watching. If you want more honest tech breakdowns that don't sugarcoat the scams, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy gaming.